when the war broke out in, oh, and by the way, the plan was, when we left, my grandparents were left behind for a while. They had lived with us, and when my parents, after Kristallnacht, got ready for emigration, my grandparents were placed in a home for Jewish elders in Nuremberg. And I remember saying goodbye to them, and we said, my father said, as soon as I'm settled and have enough money, I will send for you. And of course that never happened. So they wound up in Theresienstadt. By sheer coincidence, my wife's grandparents, who were from Vienna, also wound up there. They all died there. We never found out whether it was illness or starvation. Terezin was not the worst concentration camp. It used to be like a small town for many army barracks, but conditions were pretty terrible. But I was reminded of that because when the war broke out in 1939, we lost all contact with my grandparents and with all the other family members. I lost my grandparents, 2 uncles, 1 aunt, and several cousins and second cousins. All total 10 close relatives and about 20 distant relatives. We never found out any details, but they were all killed.